Welcome back to Learn English with Maria. I'm so glad you're here. Today's topic is something that almost everyone needs at some point: speaking English at a restaurant. Let me ask you, have you ever felt nervous while ordering food in English? Do you stop and think, what if I say it wrong? Have you been in a restaurant holding the menu but not knowing how to ask a simple question in English? Well, don't worry, you're not alone, and that's exactly what we're going to practice together today. In this episode, we'll walk through a complete restaurant experience in English, from entering the restaurant, talking to the server, ordering food, asking questions, handling small issues, and even paying the bill. So if you want to sound more confident, more natural, and more polite while speaking English at a restaurant, this is for you. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and imagine we're going out to eat together, somewhere casual, friendly, and comfortable. Let's start speaking English the way real people do at restaurants. Arriving at the restaurant. Hello. Table for two, please. We have a reservation under the name Maria. Do you have a table near the window? How long is the wait? Can we see the menu while we wait? We're ready to be seated now. Thank you. Could we get a high chair for the baby? Is this table okay for you? This place looks nice. Looking at the menu. Can I have a menu, please? Do you have a kids' menu? I'm vegetarian. What do you recommend? Do you have anything without meat? What's today's special? What is this dish made of? How spicy is this? Does this have nuts? Can I see the drinks menu? We need a few more minutes, please. Ordering food. We're ready to order. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice. Can I get the pasta without cheese? I'd like the vegetable soup, please. Could I also get a side of fries? Can we share this dish? For drinks, I'll have water. Do you have fresh juice? No ice, please. Can we have the food served together? During the meal. This tastes really good. Would you like to try some of mine? Excuse me, can we get some extra napkins? Could you bring some ketchup, please? Sorry, I didn't order this. I think this is too salty. Can you take this back? We're enjoying the food, thank you. Everything is delicious. Can I get another glass of water? Asking about the food. What's the most popular item here? Is this dish sweet or spicy? Does this come with rice or bread? How big is the portion? Is the dessert homemade? Can I see pictures of the food? How long will it take to prepare? Can I make it a combo? What's in the sauce? Is the seafood fresh? After eating. That was really good. We're full, thank you. Can we get the bill, please? Do you take card or cash? Is the tip included? Can I split the bill? Can we pack the leftovers? Can I get a receipt, please? Thanks for the great service. We'll come again soon. Friendly conversation with the server. Hi, how's your day going? This place has a nice atmosphere. How long have you been working here? Thanks for your help. You've been really kind. We're visiting for the first time. We heard great reviews. What do you personally recommend? You have a beautiful smile. Thanks again. Everything was perfect.
Great. Let's continue and go deeper into real situations that happen at restaurants. This way, you can feel even more confident no matter where or how you're eating out, whether it's a fancy restaurant, a cafe, a fast food place, or just ordering something small. Let's imagine you're eating out with friends now. Here's how that conversation might go. Eating out with friends. Are you guys ready to order? Let's try something different today. Should we order a few dishes to share? I'm craving something spicy. Do you feel like eating pasta or pizza? We can get both and split them. Don't forget to order a drink. This appetizer looks amazing. Let's take a picture of the food first. Cheers, everyone! When you want to customize your order, can I have this without onions? I'd like the sandwich with extra cheese. Can you make it less spicy? Can I get the sauce on the side? Please don't add any mayonnaise. Is it possible to add mushrooms to the pizza? Can I get brown bread instead of white? I'm allergic to peanuts. Can you check? I'd like my coffee without sugar. Can you pack the salad dressing separately? Fast food restaurant conversation. Hi, I'd like to place an order. Can I have a chicken burger combo? I'll take fries and a drink with that. Medium or large? Let's go with large. For the drink, I'll have iced tea. Is it okay to wait here? How long will it take? Can I get some extra ketchup, please? This is to go, not for here. When dining at a buffet. Is this an all-you-can-eat buffet? Where do we start? Let's take a small plate first. Everything looks so good. I want to try a little of everything. Do we serve ourselves? Can I go back for more? This dessert section is my favorite. Let's eat slowly and enjoy. I'm so full, but I still want more. When you're in a cafe. Hi, is this seat taken? Can I get a cappuccino, please? Do you have any non-dairy milk? I'll take a croissant with that. Can I sit near the window? I'm just waiting for a friend. Do you have Wi-Fi? How much is the iced latte? That looks so good. What is it? Can I take this to go? If you're not happy with the service. Excuse me, we've been waiting a long time. I think our order got mixed up. This is cold. Can you reheat it, please? I'm sorry, this isn't what I ordered. Can I speak to the manager, please? We understand you're busy, but we'd like an update. I'd appreciate faster service next time. This is taking longer than expected. Can we cancel the rest of the order? Thanks for understanding. If you're complimenting the restaurant, the food was excellent. We had a wonderful time. Everything was perfect. You made our evening special. The service was amazing. We'll definitely come again. Do you have a feedback form? We'll tell our friends about this place. Thank you for your hospitality. Keep up the great work. All right, let's keep the conversation flowing and dive into even more realistic and helpful English sentences you can use at restaurants. This part will include fun and casual moments, little challenges, and special dining situations, because eating out isn't always the same, and you should be ready to speak with ease in any case. When you're dining with family, let's order something everyone will enjoy. Do the kids want something simple? We'll get a few dishes to share. Can we have smaller plates for the kids? He doesn't eat spicy food. Let's get some juice for the little one. Be careful, the plate is hot. Let's take turns eating while watching the baby. We'll need an extra spoon, please. Can we get the check as soon as possible? When you're on a date or with someone special, this place is really nice, isn't it? I'm glad we came here together. Have you eaten here before? Let's try something new. I'll let you choose the dessert. You have great taste in food. Would you like to share this with me? I really enjoy eating out with you. Should we come back here again? Let's end the night with something sweet. When ordering dessert, what do you have for dessert? I'd like a slice of chocolate cake. Is the ice cream homemade? Can I see the dessert menu again? Let's order one and share it. This looks amazing. So sweet and soft. I love it. Dessert is my favorite part. Totally worth the calories. Do you want the last bite? When you're in a rush. Hi, we're in a bit of a hurry. Can we place the order quickly? We don't have much time today. Is there anything that's fast to prepare? Can we get the check early? Sorry, we can't stay long today. Let's just order something light. We'll skip dessert this time. Thanks for the quick service. Let's grab a coffee to go. When you're ordering takeout at a restaurant, I'd like to order something to go. Do you have takeout options? Can I get this packed, please? How long will it take to prepare? Is this available for takeaway? Can I order now and pick it up later? I'll wait here while it's being prepared. Please make sure everything is packed well. Do you include cutlery with takeout? Thanks, I'll be back soon. When you're eating outside or on a patio, do you have outdoor seating? We'd like to sit outside if possible. The weather is perfect for eating out. It's so peaceful out here. Let's enjoy our meal in the fresh air. The view is beautiful. Can we move to a table with more shade? It's a bit windy. Can we get napkin holders? This spot is really relaxing. Let's stay a little longer. When you're at a restaurant for a celebration, we're celebrating something today. It's a birthday dinner. Can you bring a cake to the table? Do you have any special decorations? We'd like to surprise our friend. Can we sing happy birthday here? Please make it a little special. Thanks for helping with the surprise. This was a perfect celebration. You made our evening memorable. Let's keep going. You're doing great. And the more we practice these natural conversations, the more fluent and confident you'll become. Now, let's explore a few more everyday dining situations in English, the ones people often face but don't always prepare for. When you want to change your table. Excuse me, can we move to a different table? This spot is a little too noisy. We'd prefer a table near the window. It's too cold here. Can we sit somewhere warmer? That table looks more comfortable. Is that table available? We'd like to move away from the kitchen area. Thank you for understanding. This one is perfect, thanks. We really appreciate your help. When you forget what you ordered. Wait, what did I order again? I forgot which dish I chose. Oh yes, I ordered the soup. Is this mine or yours? I think this is your plate. Let's double check with the server. This doesn't look like what I expected. Maybe they switched our plates. It still looks good, though. Let's give it a try anyway. When you're not sure what to order, everything looks so good. I can't decide what to get. What are you having? Maybe I'll get the same thing. Should I go with something safe or try something new? This one sounds interesting. I've never tried this before. Let's be adventurous. If I don't like it, I'll try yours. Okay, I've made my choice. When you want to ask for recommendations, what do you recommend here? Is there something this place is known for? What's the most popular item on the menu? Do you have a personal favorite? I'm open to trying something new. What's something light and tasty? What goes well with this drink? I'm in the mood for something fresh. I'll trust your recommendation. Thanks. I'm excited to try it. When you're eating late or near closing time, are you still open? Is the kitchen still serving food? We just made it in time. Sorry for coming in so late. Can we still order dinner? Is there a last order time? We'll try to be quick. Thanks for letting us in. We really needed this meal. We'll be out soon, promise. When you're talking about the restaurant experience, this place has such a nice vibe. The staff is really friendly. I love the music they're playing. It's very clean and cozy here. This is my new favorite spot. I'm glad we discovered this place. Let's leave a good review. It's better than I expected. We should bring more people next time. Everything was just right.
When you're in a new country or city, do you serve local food here? What's a traditional dish you'd recommend? I'd love to try something from this area. Is this food popular with locals? How do you usually eat this? Is it eaten with hands or cutlery? Can you tell me more about this dish? This is my first time trying this cuisine. The flavors are very new to me. I like it. Thank you for introducing us to something different. When you're leaving the restaurant, thank you for everything. The service was wonderful. The food was amazing. We really enjoyed our meal. You were so helpful. Thanks again. Goodbye. Take care. We'll definitely come again. Tell the chef the food was great. Everything was perfect from start to finish. Thanks. Have a great night. And now it's time to slowly end today's episode. We've covered a full dining experience, from walking into the restaurant, checking the menu, placing an order, customizing your meal, enjoying your food, and finally paying and leaving. These are the sentences real people use in everyday life, and now you know them too. The best way to build confidence is by practicing these kinds of sentences out loud. Use them while watching this video, and even better, try using them in real life the next time you go out to eat. Start small. Even one sentence at a time makes a big difference. Thank you for joining me in this restaurant English journey. I hope this helped you feel more confident and relaxed while speaking English during meals. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to keep practicing and check out the next one. We'll explore another part of daily life together. Until then, take care, enjoy your food, and keep speaking English with a smile. See you soon!